true talk, I'll be telling you guys about Blend Pro 9 and its family. That it is very easy and simple for you to get white without using any injection tablet or without using any drip. Okay, you all know that Blend Pro 9 activator is an activator that you can use to remove your knuckles, which I'll be helping people a lot. For those of you who said, oh, I'm tired of knuckles, and you haven't located this yet, you'll be wasting your time. This is only what can remove your knuckles in 7 days without any side effect. Okay, it will remove it. And I was telling you that also you can use it to activate your cream. Imagine a solution that have the tendency of taking away your dark spot. All right, so if you put it in any other cream, even if it's not whitening cream, it will activate it to a whitening cream. That is what it does. And I'll be telling you that yes, soon that the lotion will be out, which the lotion is out now, which I'll be selling since some period of time now. This is the lotion, and this is the activator. This lotion, with this lotion, you don't even need to add this one inside anymore. All right, because this is 100% whitening. When I mean extremely whitening, for those of us who want to get white like celebrities. If you really want to white like celebrity, you don't need to go do any surgery. No, you don't need it. You don't need to go do any what is it called, like using injection. No, we have lotions that are very effective, more than injection even. And this is one of it I'm holding. All right, and you'll be asking me, can you use this for your face? You can use it to mix any face cream also. You can use it, and trust me, in 3 to 7 days, if you don't see result, tell me that was a global, you're telling a lie. All right, but why not give it a try? Seeing is believing. When you try and you see for yourself, is believing. This lotion will make you to get white in 7 days, and you want to be like celebrity. Like as I said, you don't need to. See, very funny enough, some people, they keep doing this because they will fly to abroad, they will go do surgery. You don't need it, because all that have side effect. When you're getting older, aging, you will see what I'm telling you. So you don't need all that. This is what you need. What you need, in 7 days you will see the result. All right, and now let's quickly run through it, what it does. Listen, it said Blend Pro 9 lotion is a whitening activator which can be used to activate any other cream. You can see. So this is the lotion. You can also use the lotion to activate any other cream. For those of us who say, oh, maybe they just want to get lighting, okay, you can use this Blend Pro 9 to activate Nivea. It will lighten you. You can use this one to activate Nivea and it will lighten you. That is how it works. If you don't want to use it direct, you can use it to activate Nivea. But if you want to white like those celebrities, you want to white like Toto DK, you want to white like Bobrisky, who just name it. I keep using those two because I know they are celebrities, and you want to white like them. Why not? You want to white like them, you can use this to white like them. By 7 days, you'll be see result. Wow. In 14 days, you see much result. In the 3rd week, in fact, you will confirm all I'm saying. So, but I keep saying product that makes you white in 7 days. I know what I'm saying. Real talk. Now let's go through it again. They said you can use it to activate any other cream. They said it clear off dark spot. Wow, it clear off dark spot. So if you're tired of dark spot and every time, yet you're still using those lotions that I don't want to say name, but like you keep using, you tell you to mix with this, do tube, do this, run away from tube. Very terrible. You'll be using all that. As a matter of fact, you will keep having white patches. You'll be having those dark spots. Why not use Blend Pro 9 to clean your skin? It gives you a clean skin. It removes dark spot and clean your skin. Okay, let's go again. It said it removes stretch mark. Wow. The lotion, it removes fade away stretch mark. All right. Okay. Then again, it whitens in 7 days, which we've said that before. It's safe to use, no side effect, no hydroquinone, no hydroquinone. It's safe to use. So that is a wonderful lotion that we all need to use. And this is also the activator. How about the oil? Now let me show you the oil so that you know that it's total full package. Now this is the oil. This is the oil, also blend pronite oil. For those of you who have not seen it, this is blend pronite oil. This is the activator. So all of them, they are just activator. You can use the oil alone on your skin. And what does the oil does? It repair your skin. If you be having those blemishes on your skin, just throw your lotion off and start using this oil. I mean, a lot of all these product you see, they tell you there's no hydroquinone, whereas the hydroquinone on it inside it goes. So like, to be a safer side, use something that you know is organic, well promised. This is it. This is it. Organic, well promised from Thailand. This is it. All right. So because I believe if my customers, they are seeing results, they want to look like celebrity and they look like celebrity, yes, that would bring more testimony. That is why I always make sure that this product, they are safe to use, so that they will be having result subsequently. Okay, so like as I said, this is the oil and this is what is it called? This is the oil and this is the face activator and the body activator. And I told you we have the lotion. This is the lotion also. This is the lotion that you can be using the lotion as well. You can be using the lotion as well. You can be using the oil as well. You can be using this activator as well. Just imagine if you add this to this one, meaning I advise to use this to this one because it will be too much. All right, it will be too much. So use this alone and use this. Subsequently, maybe if you want to use any other cream, you can use this, or you can use this to clean off your knuckles. All right, then maybe when you use and you started seeing result, okay, you said okay, you don't want to get whiter than you don't want to get whiter than what you see. Oil, you start using the oil. If you say okay, I don't too white too much, you'll be using the oil. The oil now will keep your skin firm and it keep your skin smooth, and you keep your elasticity of the skin firm, which I just said. Then it will keep your skin whitening the way it is. You won't get darker. So because some people said when they use some oils they get darker, this oil will get you more whiter, but not more than the cream. All right. Yes. And sometimes if you find it difficult to explain some things, just shut me up. You will always get result. Okay, so we've come to the end of this review.